I finished the pattern for the Headbands book number 2, which is right here. It is on Ravelry.com, and it's also on my homepage, stitchniche.com. So you have to go into either Ravelry or Stitch Niche and search by the word either Baby Headbands or just Headbands. This one actually has 7, and I have 6 of them to show you here. The 7th one, as fast as I make these, they're bought. So I have a hard time keeping them in stock. The first one, let me move this way. I'll just shove this over a little bit. The first one is, I call it Stars and Bars, because I put the star stitch right there, and then I just made a bar across through the middle. So it's stars here and a bar. And then, of course, I just put little flowers on the bow, but you can put whatever one you want. The next one I call Little Checks. It's really the moss stitch, but it just makes a nice one. There's just a lot of texture. And this one I put gold buttons on. The next one is called Ridged Eyelet. This one, Ridged Eyelet Border. As you can see, each of the eyelets have got a border around them, so it's like a ridge. Which I like this one. This one I enjoy making. I've made several of them over the years. The next one is called Eyelet Mock Rib. This one, as fast as I make it, I sell it. So I'll just show you the one on my phone. But you can see it's got these cute little round circles, which is a cable, but it has a hole in the center. So that's why I call it an eyelet. But that one is one of the most popular ones I've got. This one, the knotted cord, really hasn't been that popular, but I just thought it was kind of neat because it looks like a rope with a knot in the center. Just a different design. I put bumblebees on that one. Then one I call the sail stitch, because it's just a bunch of like little openings. And what it is slip one, knit one, pass, slip, stitch over, I believe. That's how come you got this large line here, is because you passed 1 over 2. But that one I called the sail stitch. And this one is called Simple Lace. It's not real complicated. It's very basic and straightforward. Since it's mostly stockinette, it likes to roll. Once it's been blocked or worn, it'll stop rolling. But it's a really simple one to make. It's mostly stockinette. And that's it. That's all 7 of them that's in here. Like I said, you can find this particular pattern on stitchniche.com as well as Ravelry.com. Thank you for watching. One thing I forgot to say is the pattern shows it in 4 sizes. You've got newborn to 3 months. Well, here it says 3 to 8 months, 8 to 12 months, and 2 years. So the 2 that are in the parentheses are your 8 to 12 months and your 2 years, which would be this set here. And cast on would be these 2. Just thought I'd give you a little note.